impressions on Samsung Galaxy A9, 2018, review. The Samsung Galaxy A9, 2018, has 4 rear cameras. Yes, you read that right, 4. It's a world's first, and while it may seem excessive, Samsung believes the additional hardware makes for better photos. Samsung goes as far as to say the Galaxy A9 is optimized for Instagram, which gives you a clear indication at who this handset is aimed at. Young adults where camera experience is king and social media is a daily ritual. See all Samsung Galaxy A9, 2018, deals. Unsurprisingly, the main focus of the Samsung Galaxy A9 is its quad-cam setup around the back, but with a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display, 6GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, plus microSD slot, and a 3,800 mAh battery. It offers up a decent array of specs. It sits atop Samsung's mid-range A series of devices, sliding in just under the flagship Galaxy S line, offering some top-end features at a more attractive price point. This means the new Samsung Galaxy A9 has the likes of the OnePlus 6T and Honor View 20 to contend within an increasingly competitive affordable flagship segment. While the Samsung Galaxy A9 is now available to buy, we're still waiting on our review device. Once it arrives, we'll get to work putting it through our in-depth review process. Samsung Galaxy A9, 2018, release date and price. The Samsung Galaxy A9 is available in the UK both SIM-free and on a range of contracts. The Samsung Galaxy A9 price is £449, around $580, 800 Australian dollars, SIM-free, making it around the same price as the Honor View 20 and OnePlus 6T, and comfortably cheaper than the Samsung Galaxy S9. Design. Advertisement. The Samsung Galaxy A9 has a premium design with a metal frame and a glass front and rear, ensuring the handset looks and feels the part. It's available in 3 colors, with the most eye-catching options being lemonade blue and bubblegum pink, which boast attractive two-tone hues which are reminiscent of the fancier finishes on the Huawei P20 and P20 Pro. For those who want their phone to be a little more understated, the Samsung Galaxy A9 is also available in Caviar Black,